I'm going to try and make a video and study how dodgers work at different speeds. And I have 4 different kinds of dodgers that I have underwater. I have 2 cameras. One is on the ball, the downrigger ball, and I have it set at 25 feet. And the other one will be a water wolf camera. I'll put it out on the line, which will be about a 25-foot setback from the ball. And we'll run that down as deep as 35 to 40 feet. And some of the equipment that I use, I would say the Minn Kota electric trolling motor is my #1 fishing tool. Everything I have on this boat works together, but with the Minn Kota I can set routes, I can put it on autopilot, and then we can just fish. And so some of the equipment I have is we'll go to the fish finder now. I have 2 fish finders. They're Humminbird Onyx. I have 2 of them, and I use the map as much as anything. Now, and then I have a 2 Humminbird Onyxes that are networked together that use the same transducer. And this one here has the 360 on it, and I'll show you some things on here, that some ways to set this fish finder. So you can see right now we're looking at the bottom. I've got it at 12 feet, so I'm not looking at the top 12 feet. I have a split screen, and you can see the fish are right there on that downrigger ball on the left side, which is I have chirp, but which would be about a 83 kilohertz cone. And you can see those fish show up a little bit better. Now over on the 200 cone on the right side, you can see it. Now you can see my downrigger balls on the left on the 83 kilohertz, and we're gonna turn this. I'll turn the sensitivity up, and now right there you can kind of see the thermocline, and if you can look at that, and I would put a downrigger right there where that thermocline is. It shows it's about 35 feet, 36 feet. That thermocline shows up good on the 200 kilohertz side. And now, so that's one place, one way to start to know where to put your downrigger. You can kind of see the kokanee right in here. And I've been catching kokanee this morning at 37 feet. Now if we don't want to see that, we can turn our gain back down a little bit. And now if we don't want to see the bottom, I can go in and I go down to my range. And on my upper range, it's set at 12. I'll come down, and my lower range, I'm going to take it off automatic, and I'm going to set it at 50 feet. Now that shows we're going to zoom more in on the fish, and now fishing for kokanee, I don't need to see that bottom. And so we're zoomed in more. And another thing that I use is a fish hawk, and right here is the fish hawk. and it shows that that ball, the top number is 38 feet. And Kokanee like 52 degree temperature. So right there at 39 feet, we have 52 degree temperature. The surface temperature is 65.8, and the temperature down 38 feet is 52. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and the temperature is 52 degrees down 39 feet. And Kokanee love temperature that is 52 to 54. So I will always run a ball right there at 52, and then another one I will come up to 54. And so my downriggers, you can kind of see how I've have my poles. We're in the sun, and I've got a fish on right here. So we're gonna turn this off. Okay, I just got that Kokanee in. This is the pole on the other side. You can kind of see how I have it loaded. And I came here today to study different dodgers, the way they react to different speeds. And so I'm changing my speed. I'm using this iTroll right here, which will change my speed. It goes up and down. My speeds right now is 1.4. It will go up to about 2 miles an hour, and then it will come back down, which helps catch a lot of fish. And now I have on the downrigger ball, I don't have a fishing line on here, so this is a camera. It's hooked to my laptop. As soon as the sun comes up, I won't be able to see this, but I'll be able to record it. And we're down 25 feet, and the fish are deeper than 30, so we may not pick many fish up on here. I can go down another 10 feet, but I may start losing light and won't be able to see the reaction of the dodgers. So what I do to see this live with the camera that I have on the downrigger ball, there's a squid on there, but the squid does not have a hook on it. But I have a cut-off hook, so I can add a maggot to see if I can attract him. I have 7 different setups, and so the rest of the time I will edit these and put out different kinds. This here's a sling blade. It's orange. Orange isn't working real good right now. Pink is working better.